Well, we've had a good morning. Getting ready to put the exhaust on. We thought we'd go ahead and spin up the motor under the electric starter at this point. Coils are on, wired carbs are on, everything's closed up, valves are set, oil lines are on. Primary is closed. Haven't put oil in it yet, but primary is closed. And I'm just gonna reach over there and give her a spin and see what happens. Let's see if it turns over nicely. Let me hold this over here like this. How do I do that? Okay. Ignition's on. All right, spinning nicely. Sounding good. All right. Good, so far so good. I think we'll put the exhaust on it. Okay, now, I figured as long as we're standing here, we might as well just do a quick compression check, just to see if both sides are the same. Go ahead and give her about 10 good revolutions. Let it spin. Let it spin. Okay, that's good. Ooh, 150 pounds up there. Okay. All right, spin her up. That's good. 150. Okay. All right, the bike is basically complete enough to start. We gave it a few spins, but the battery's down, so we're going to let it charge overnight and pick it up probably tomorrow. So, looking good. Got it on the charger over there. And interestingly enough, I have the timing cover for this bike back from AMR. So I would like to have both of these bikes running by the end of the weekend. That would be nice. We will see what progress we make. 2 Nortons. That's all I have in the shop. Kind of cool.